All right, this video is going to be about adding metadata to video, and what I'm doing is I'm actually using the video file that I used to do the introduction. So I've already uploaded it. It's about 600 megabytes, and I'm just going to kind of walk you through what I've done. So I've uploaded the video. It's an MP4. So we're going to go over to step 2. I don't have a template. So I simply want the title to be Metadata Factory Overview Video. Genre, I chose Education. Artist, Metadata Factory, The Ranking Store. Album, Metadata Factory Training Videos. Copyright, I put in the URL for The Ranking Store. I'm going to go to Next. So keywords, Metadata Editor, Video Metadata Editor, Video metadata tools. I added the test YouTube channel where I'm going to load it. I've never ever loaded a video up to this channel before. And info URL, I've added the link to metadatafactory.com. I just put my initials on it, so when Pat and Gary are looking at analytics, they'll be able to see where that visit came from. Comment, I just used ChatGPT just to write a short paragraph. Let me just open this up, right, so you can kind of see that. So I didn't do a word count. What I want to do is I just want to process this, and then we'll go back and we'll actually look at all of this after it's processed. And so I just called it Metadata Factory 1. I'm going to copy that for the template, and then I'm going to hit finish, and we'll let this run. I may fast forward this video, not sure how long it'll take. There we go. And okay, let's see if I can get my computer to cooperate with me. Videos, and then I'll just add 2023 on the end of that so we can tell the difference. And that's it. All right, this is part B to adding metadata to videos. You saw me just process one of the training videos, and so now what I've done, I've gone to exif.tools. I uploaded the video file that I ran through Metadata Factory, and so you can see the info URL, comment, maker URL, keywords, description, and so it took that full description, and so you can get creative. You can put NAP info, schema. I personally haven't done a whole lot with schema. I know there's some people that are running some experiments or putting schema in descriptions. I'm probably going to start testing that soon. Title, artist, album, and genre. And so you can see Metadata Factory makes it easy to add some basic metadata information to a video. I'm going to try to break it. I'm going to try maybe a video that's 5 to 10 minutes long, and see if it'll take that. But right now, I would, like I said, I'd probably keep videos somewhere between 2 and 3 minutes, unless you want to help test. So that's it. I guess the thing that I would take away on this, be creative, and if you take the time to add metadata to your videos, you're doing something that probably 90% of people who are uploading videos aren't doing. I try to do this on everything that I upload. So give it a try. Let me know if you have any questions. That'll be the end of this video tutorial on adding metadata to videos.